Get set, go! That's a quick dousing of the McCall police. They sacrificed the start. Have a quick dousing. Sink or swim, trouble on the course. McCall police digging hard and working towards. Suddenly the McCall police has gone from a one-person team to a two-person team. Sink or swim starting to dig in and trying to catch up. McCall police in a commanding lead once again. Sink or swim digging hard, having a hard time staying on course. McCall police cruising now to the halfway mark. Sink or swim beginning to make up a little bit of ground. Stroke, stroke, stroke. Actually producing a wake, each one of them. Ball police passed halfway. Sink or swim also passed halfway. Ball police making towards the quarter pole and heading towards the final stretch. Rounding the last corner now. Digging in for home. Sink or swim navigational troubles. Ball police now moving towards the finish line. It's going to be a clear and easy victory for McCall Police. Sink or swim going around the final quarter turn and heading towards home. And Sink or swim finishes second as they cross the line.